In textiles, industrial engineering refers to the systematic study and optimization of manufacturing processes to enhance efficiency, productivity, and quality in textile and garments production. It involves analyzing workflows, minimizing waste, balancing production lines, and improving resource utilization to ensure cost-effectiveness and timely delivery. Process flow chart of industrial engineering. Negotiation with garments merchandiser. Discuss the order details, delivery schedule, quality standards, and production requirements. Garments analysis. Study garment design, construction, and critical operations to plan the production process. Pre-production meeting. Conduct a meeting to confirm that all necessary raw materials, fabrics, trims, accessories are available and meet quality standards. Set production target. Establish daily production targets based on the order size, timeline, and factory capacity. Set machine layout. Arrange sewing machines and workstations according to the sequence of operations for the garment. Line setting. Allocate specific tasks to operators and set up the production line for efficient workflow. Line balancing. Adjust operations to ensure uniform workload distribution and minimize bottlenecks. Continuous production meeting. Hold regular meetings to track progress, address issues, and ensure the line meets the production targets. Collecting production data. Gather data on operator efficiency, machine performance, and production output. Preparing production report. Compile the collected data into a detailed report covering key metrics such as production efficiency, downtime, and target achievement. Production report analysis. Analyze the production report to identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and areas for improvement.